So I'm getting ready to move my sprout to a bigger container, only because the egg carton will not support the growth of the roots, so it will hinder them from growing properly. So I have the spoon, which I had from an ice cream store. I kept it because it's useful, and I also kept all the pots from the starter plants that I got from the home garden. And also I'll need soil and my hardy spoon. So this is what I'm gonna do. It's actually easy. So first I'll fill up my pots with soil. So in the center, I'm just gonna scoop a spoonful out, put it aside, create like a small crater there, and then I'll scoop one of my sprouts, put it in the center, making sure that it stays on the top, and then I'll scoop a little bit of soil to cover the sides and make sure it's flat and flushed, making sure that you don't drown the sprouts with soil, to make sure that it sits like right on the top where the level of the original soil is from where you got it from the carton. And that's it. So you just keep repeating the process until you get all of the sprouts transferred. Also, one idea is, if the carton is quite soft, they are biodegradable, so you can just cut them off with a scissor, or you can just like tear it like this, and make sure to create a hole underneath so that the roots can go through and get into the additional soil that you just put into the pot. So that's pretty much it. That's how easy it is to transfer your sprouts into a bigger container. Thank you for watching.